Alright, let's solve this question on the board before us. We are asked to find the value of x. This is exponential equation involving radical, right? Now to solve this, you can use factorization method, or you can choose to multiply one of these by 2 to the power of x. Alright, or you can use substitution method, right? Any of these methods can give you a good result. Alright, so in this place, we are not going to use factorization. Let's use substitution, right? Let's say that y is equal to 2 to the power of root of x. This is another method, right? So that you can replace anywhere you see 2 to the power of root of x, you can put in y. Of course, we are going to have y plus y equal to 32, right? So if you add this, you are going to have 2y equals 32. Alright, to find y, divide both sides by 2 and divide this side by 2. This cancels out. Y equal to 32 divided by 2 will give you 16. Now we are not looking for the value of y, we are looking for x. Now since we said that y is equal to this, of course our value of y is 16. So let's replace this in this equation. So this one becomes 2 to the power of the root of x is equal to, now our y here is what? Is 16. Let's try to express 16 in the base of 2. Of course, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So we can replace 16 as 2 to the power of 4. So this one becomes 2 to the power of the root of x equals 2 power of 4. Now let's apply this law of indices. If you have a to the power of b equals a to the power of c, you can equally say that b equals what? C. Okay? So now we are going to equate the powers because we have the same base. So we are going to have the root of x equals 4. Let's find the value of x. Now there is radical here, right? To get rid of this radical, you need to square both sides and also square this side. Of course, if you do that, this cancels out. This implies that the value of x is equal to, now 4 squared means 4 times 4, right? 4 into 2 places will give you 16. So the value of x that can satisfy this equation is 16. You can put in x as 16 into this equation. X as 16 here, let's check. 2 to the power of the root of 16 plus 2 to the power of the root of 16 is equal to 32. Let's see whether we are going to get 32. The root of 16 is 4, right? So this one becomes 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 4, right? Now 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So you're going to have 16 plus 16 equals 32. Of course, you add it, you're going to have 32 is equal to 32. Alright, so